Hi, my name is Ron Bloom. I'm the Dean of the School of Health Careers, Technology, and Applied Learning. Thank you for joining us today. Before we get started, I just wanted to say thank you to our former students, graduates of our programs in Health Careers, Technology, and Applied Learning. As you probably know, Westchester Community College supplies the region with some of the providers who are fighting today's pandemic. We graduate students in respiratory care, emergency medical services, paramedic, and nursing. What an incredible job they're doing at taking care of those affected by the pandemic. The programs at Westchester are incredibly varied. I want you to know that not all the programs in the college will put you in the front lines of healthcare. There is a program in healthcare for all of you, for all of your talents and all of your interests. Some of the programs will lead to transfer. That is, you can pursue advanced degrees in health, allied health, and medicine after you graduate from Westchester. Some programs will lead directly to employment. If you are interested in the health and well-being of animals, we have a program in veterinary technology. Our programs also cover the range of interests in healthcare, anything from community health, fitness, kinesiology, sports medicine, personal training, nutrition, culinary arts, and hospitality. There are, as I mentioned before, programs in respiratory care, radiology, nursing, emergency medical services, and paramedics. If you're thinking about healthcare administration, we have a program that'll get you to a great start in electronic medical records with certifications along the way in health information technology. Please join me later for a more in-depth explanation of some of the programs we offer in health and technology. Thank you very much. I look forward to getting an opportunity to know you better and to talking about the programs that we have in our school. Stay well. Best regards.
Hello, my name is Dr. Raymond Houston, and I am the Dean for the School of Mathematics, Science, and Engineering at Westchester Community College. We are the school for STEM at WCC. We prepare students for careers in a wide range of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics disciplines. We have associate's degrees and certificates in networking, computer programming, computer assisted drafting, civil technology, mechanical technology, electrical technology, and energy systems. These programs lead to a number of in demand jobs in fields such as network administration, advanced manufacturing, architectural drafting, surveying, renewable energy, and power supply maintenance. For those of you interested in transferring to a four-year school after your time at WCC, we offer associate's degrees in computer science, engineering science, environmental science, environmental studies, and liberal arts mathematics and science with available concentrations in biology, chemistry, mathematics, and health science. Students completing degrees in our schools transfer to institutions such as Stony Brook, Binghamton, RPI, Manhattan, and Columbia, just to name a few. Our award winning faculty and staff have years of work experience in their respective fields, and we are eager to share our knowledge with you. We in the School of Mathematics, Science, and Engineering look forward to working with you to help you reach your educational goals. For general information about the School of Mathematics, Science, and Engineering, you can visit the college website www.sunywcc.edu. You can also email us at schoolofscience@sunywcc.edu.
Welcome to Westchester Community College. My name is Carmen Martinez Lopez, and I am the Dean of the School of Business and Professional Careers. We are here to assist you. In my school, we are waiting for you. Please take advantage of this opportunity. You will have the best faculty. Our faculty will engage you to motivate you, and you will have good memories of your professors after graduation. At this moment, I am sharing with you our different academic programs and how we are preparing each one of you to transfer to a 4-year college or to go to work. If you are an accounting student, we will prepare you to evaluate the health of a company. If you are a business student or a marketing student, we will prepare you to manage businesses with efficiency. If you are a fashion design or a fashion merchandising student, we will prepare you to work in the region of fashion. We are 40 minutes from the capital of fashion design, New York City. If you are a cybersecurity or a computer information student, we will prepare you to manage databases for information purposes and identify problems in cyber attacks. If you are a paralegal or a criminal justice student, we will prepare you to work with law offices and law enforcement. If you are an education student, we will prepare you to understand the reality of teaching in the 21st century. If you are a human services or a chemical dependency student, we will prepare you to work with families. Enjoy each second as a student. It is fun and it is the passport to move to the next level as a future professional. Finally, my office is located in the classroom building room 201, and you will be welcomed by Mac, Linda, Alex, Nicole, and myself, your dean. Thank you for selecting Westchester Community College for your academic journey.
Welcome to Westchester Community College and to today's event. I'm Dr. Karen Taylor, and as Dean of the School of Arts, Humanities, and Social Science, I'm here to tell you a little bit about our school today. Our school is divided into two separate entities. One is what I would call the service courses. These are courses that students need to take to fulfill their Gen Ed requirements. Courses such as English, ESL if you need it, reading, courses in the humanities such as history, philosophy, modern language. In modern language, we teach American Sign Language, we teach French, we teach Italian, and we teach Spanish, and we teach Japanese. In our social science department, we teach psychology, sociology, geography, economics, anthropology, and political science. We also offer many associate's degrees in our school. This is the second part of our school. We offer an associate's degree in art and design. We offer an associate's degree in communications and media arts. We offer an associate's degree in journalism, one of the few community colleges in the country to do so. We offer an associate's degree in digital film, where our students work on their films throughout the year to showcase them in a film festival at the end of the semester. We offer a degree in performing arts, where you can take music, dance, and/or theater. We have two liberal arts science degrees, one in social science that obviously focuses on the social sciences. And remember, those are courses like psychology and sociology and anthropology, political science. Our second liberal arts science degree is in humanities, which focuses on the history, the philosophy, the modern language, and English. We offer 3 different settings for our courses. You can take courses completely online. Obviously, you can take courses at Valhalla here in class 2 or 3 times a week. And we also offer courses at our extension centers. We have extension centers in Peekskill, in Ossining, in Mount Vernon, and in Yonkers. We invite you to come to our next session where you will have a chance to meet the curriculum chairs for some of these associate degree programs. Thank you for joining us today.